Sponsoring today's video, we have our monthly sponsor, GVG Mall. This time with a Black Friday deal that you can't miss. We get the usual $17 lowered to $14, and even better, on top of that you can use my SKAG code and get another 20% off, lowering the price to $11. After the payment, you'll receive the key in no time and you simply need to introduce it in your Windows settings and bam! You have an activated system.
Hello guys, I should give plays, I'm Fabio Pisco, and well, we have a new video today. As you see, I just woke up like 1 hour ago, so my hair is all messy, everything is messy. I'm messy myself, but well. So my cat is also messy. He's really old. He has like 12 years or 13 years, but well. What I mean is, finally, I got what I asked for to AMD, and they sent it to me, and it is the RX 6800. Okay, it is the non-XT version. I was hoping for the XT version because I made a poll and people actually voted the XT version, and I thought that the XT version made more sense, but still, damn, it's a free GPU, so I do not have to invest. That's great already. And it's a GPU that many people won't test extensively, so since I have it, I will. Now, well, let's go to the unboxing, I guess. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Why did I do this? Whatever. Share this video, and let's go.
So guys, as always, I'm recording the sound with my smartphone, so it is normal that the sound isn't that great. So, in the front part we have the Radeon, the card, as you see, and the AMD Radeon RX 6800. On the top you just have it saying AMD, which is kind of usual, I think. On the side, once again, AMD Radeon RX 6800, and on the other side again. On the back it is also simple, so almost plain black, and here the instructions. For installation, blah 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 blah, advanced micro devices, sorry, AMD. So now, let's open the case with this knife that hasn't been sterilized since World War II, whatever. And let's open it. Okay. Well, it is done. Good job, knife. Good job. Now, let's open it. Okay. Nice. So, the box isn't anything special, but the inbox, let's call it the inbox, so the box inside the box, it's like boxception, is something special indeed. We have the card here, once again, the AMD logo, Radeon, uncompromised 4K gaming, AMD Fidelity FX optimized, 16GB memory, and PCI 4.0 ready. So, once again, nothing special on the other sides, as you see here, but the front part is awesome, let me tell you. The details are awesome. That's not something that you actually, that you actually see on aftermarket models. So yeah, we have here the foam. Here we have the CD, no, it's the manual. Here we have the manual, also pretty nice, the detail of having this space to actually put it there. Pretty nice, indeed. And finally we have the card here. Damn, the card is heavy. Yep, the card is heavy. And even the detail where the card sits is very well done, these parts, very nice. And let me tell you that the card is heavy. The card is smaller, kind of smaller than my RX 5700 XT from Sapphire Nitro. It's quite smaller, but it's heavier. No doubts it is heavier. So it feels really solid. I mean, damn. Usually you look at things and you feel like, oh, plastic here, plastic there, but this card is actually pretty solid. I mean, and it's heavy, so it doesn't pass you that feel of plastic thing. So this isn't plastic, or at least, oh, this is it. This is plastic, but it's very well made, really good quality plastic. So it's better to have high quality plastic than low quality metal. So yeah, here we have the PCB, the back plate, also pretty nice. So the back plate is white. We have white with black stripes, the back plate, very nice. On the front part we have the usual Radeon logo, which seems like the Team Rocket from Pokemon. The fans also seem nice, well constructed, well built. Man, really well built. I'm surprised with this card from AMD. I usually do not like any kind of non-aftermarket cards, but this one is really cool. It is really heavy. I'm not exaggerating. The card is really heavy compared to the ones I have. Even my Vega 56, the card is really heavy. Really well made. I'm impressed. Indeed. So here we have the Radeon logo. So 2x8 pins power connection. Like I said on the back, it's white, or more like silver. It's silver with black stripes, black rubber or plastic stripes. So this is the back plate, metal, and here rubber or plastic. Here once again the fins also. Here the blades, and on this side we just have the connections, more fins open, and yeah, basically that's it. The connections part says Radeon here, with 2 display ports, one HDMI and one USB Type-C. So display ports, HDMI, USB Type-C. Pretty nice. This card is really damn great. It looks great. Let me just tell you that if you are watching this card on any YouTube video, it looks, or at least in the store, it looks way better than in the store. It looks way better than in the store. So lively, it looks way better. That's just my opinion. Damn, really damn great.
So now that the card is here, it's time to finally build it and make it into my main build. So I will exchange it for the RX 5700 XT. Let's go! I can tell you that this RX 5700 XT is smaller, as you can see. So it is smaller. I mean, it is larger than the 6800, but it's also less heavy. So it's lighter. It's bigger but lighter. And well, as you can see, they have nothing in common, but 6800 time it is. So guys, all I want to tell you is that this card is really amazing. I already tested some games that I usually play. And yeah, comparing to my RX 5700 XT, even the 6800 non-X is a huge, really big upgrade. So yeah, thanks AMD for sending the card, and you'll be seeing a lot more tests. For example, a lot more CPU comparison. Sorry. With the RX 6800. Of course, I will retest all my CPUs with the 6800, and we'll also, of course, test, for example, this card against the 5700 XT, 5600 XT, and so on. Vega 56. I will also retest all those cards. So stay tuned for really awesome tests. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video, and of course, see you in the next one.